Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're continuing the build on the F150. Last time we got it all bondoed up, we got all the body filler done and everything like that. We're still waiting for some parts, so we're going to start sanding it down and getting ready for paint until those parts come in to do the framework. But let's go around and check out what we did last time. There was a little damage right here. We got that fixed up. We still got to block it, get all nice and smooth. We got the door. We got to sand that down. We got to take this little decal off. We'll probably have to wash it one more time, scuff the whole thing, and get it ready for paint. So let's get straight to work. Alright guys, so after about an hour of sanding, blocking down the primer, it turned out really nice. There we go. And now we got to worry about the whole rest of the truck. So we got some scuff stuff, and this is going to be like my favorite part. Pretty much you get a little bit of this stuff and it dulls it away. So let's scuff this whole truck up and go from there. Okay, so just like that, we got the bed all sanded. We got it all taped up. We just wiped it down with wax and grease. Got a little tack cloth on it. We're also gonna paint the bumper and this one piece. We're still waiting for the other piece to come in, and the gas lid for the tailgate. So the first thing I wanna do is actually put some sealer on. So we got some sealer right here. It's gonna be 4-to-1. Let's mix it up a little bit. There we go. It's mixing, mixing, mixing. So this is going to help all the scratches, and then it's going to help us get that coating a lot better. So that's 4-to-1. Go to the cup. We're going to pour about 2. Maybe we'll do 3. Let's do 3. There we go. So we get like 2 good coats in there. Now we just gotta put the hardener in there. All right, let's mix that up and get it painted. So there we go. We got the sealer down, and it's looking like 2 colors now. You can't see the primer or the Bondo anymore, the body filler. That's nice. So the next thing to do is gonna be mix up the paint. So it's gonna be 1-to-1. We'll do about 4. Well, I guess let's do 5. There we go. Now we got some reducer. Yeah. Mix that up and let's get some paint on there. So here's the clear. We got it all mixed up. I just like it for it to sit a little bit, all mixed up, but let's check out the paint. We put about 2 coats to 3 coats on this side. Turned out really nice. This side is looking good also. Then we got the bumper we're gonna clear, the little headlight bracket, and the gas tank lid. So let's put about 2 coats of clear on this thing. Okay, just like that, we got 2 coats of clear on the bumper, this little piece, the gas lid, and the bed. It's looking really good. So we're gonna let it dry a little bit. We're gonna take this out, get the whole truck inside, and get that thing painted. Okay, so just like that, we got the truck taped up really quick. Didn't take that much long, but it's looking good. We got it all wiped down, wax and grease, and we got it tack cloth. So what the first thing we're gonna do is put the sealer on top of the primer spots, and we'll go from there. So there we go, we got 2 coats of sealer on it. It's looking really good. Next thing to do is start putting the paint on it. Okay, here we go. We got about 4 to 5 coats of the gray on the fender and the doors. And it's turning out really nice on both sides. Let's check out the other side really quick. And in about 10 minutes, we're gonna let it flash. And we are gonna start putting on the clear coat. I even like this color, being like kind of flat, like a flat gray. But let's let it flash and put on 2 coats of clear. All right, here we go. We got 2 coats of clear on it. It's looking great. Can't wait to get it outside. Unfortunately, it's getting late, so I'll catch you guys in the morning. Here we go, guys. This is the next day. We got the truck untaped. So now we are ready to put this thing outside and look at it in the daylight. Okay, so we have it outside and look at it. Looks really good. Pretty happy with it. We're gonna have to let it dry until we start putting it together, but I think we can actually just put the bed on it right now, carefully, and go from there.
And just like that, guys, this thing is back together somewhat and painted, looking really fresh. Man, what a transformation from before, being out there in the woods, in the forest, all damaged and salvaged. Now it's getting back to OEM, looking really nice, really clean. Unfortunately,
I mean, we could put it back in the woods. It'd be like a nice barn find, wood find after a while.
No,
you know?
it deserves to hit the road. This thing, you know, we're gonna recycle it, we're gonna salvage, saving it, getting it back on the road for sure. Somebody's really gonna love this truck. I'm gonna love it for a little bit, drive around, you know, make sure it's all good. So we're gonna get this thing back on the road for sure in no time. Unfortunately, a lot of parts are missing. We can't get the hood, we can't get the fender, they're on back order, something like that. We already put our order for it, it's supposed to come in, and also we find out, oh, just kidding, it's on back order, so we're not gonna get it. It's part of the game though, for sure. We could still definitely get it cleaned up, little things here and there, but we do have to pause on it for a second until we get the remaining parts.
We still got the interior got put together,
right?
Like that. But we got to let the paint dry a little bit longer. But hopefully in the next 2 days we'll start putting it together. You know.
Yeah, we want to upgrade from that, instead of that, just that plastic vinyl stuff, to actually get carpet, make it look good, do some other things to it.
We got the airbags we still got to replace.
Right, so. Right. We got that, the seat airbag we got to do, get the seat re-sewn.
We got the rear bumper to put on, tailgate. There's a lot of little stuff we got to do.
That's true, so we will wait for it, but that's all the time we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for staying tuned. It looks really great. Thanks for following the build. Make sure to turn that notification bell. We're gonna get this thing done in no time. Catch us next time.